When running a new SEO campaign, one of the most challenging aspects is coming up with the right keywords. Having the best keywords for your campaign isn't just about finding searches with the most volume. The SEMrush Keyword Magic tool makes intelligent keyword research easy and allows you to individually decide which keywords you're going to use in your campaign. With the SEO Keyword Magic tool, you're able to recognize new keywords to maximize your SEO or PPC campaign. You can include or exclude certain keywords to create custom lists, navigate grouped keywords for potential ad groups, examine up to 1 million different variations of a keyword in a single file, and also explore different niche keywords in your market. Start by entering the main keyword that you want to research in the Keyword Magic search bar. Once you enter that keyword, SEMrush will pull all of its data on that keyword. This includes volume, keyword difficulty percentage, cost per click, competitive density, and SERP features. It'll also show you the collective total volume of search results for this keyword, as well as the average difficulty of every keyword in this list. Certain niche keywords will be far easier for you to rank for than more generic ones. A focus on new specific keywords can go a long way in maximizing your SEO or PPC campaign. If you're looking for keywords within a certain range of search volume, you can manually enter a minimum and a maximum volume. By clicking on the SERP features drop-down menu, you can select specific SERP features to filter your keyword list to include only the search terms that will trigger these special results. If you want to target the knowledge graph, local pack, or instant answers, this is where you can identify the keywords that will show you those results. You can choose to select as many SERP features as you wish. If you already have an idea of any specific keywords you're looking to include in your SEO campaign, this tool allows you to include or exclude individual keywords. Including and excluding certain keywords can help you to significantly narrow down your list and find the best keywords. For example, if you're a sporting goods store and are running a new campaign with a focus on basketball shoes, you would enter basketball into the search bar. Notice there are over 150,000 keywords for the term basketball, with a total search volume of just under 37 million located in your keyword list. By entering the term shoes in the included keyword search bar, you can drastically cut down on both the number of keywords, now 5,632, and total search volume of just over 1 million. Keep in mind, when including shoes in the basketball list, you are now only going to see keywords that include both basketball and shoes. The same can be done with excluding keywords, only with less drastic results. Excluding the term shoes now lowers the total search volume by only roughly 1 million. If you still see keywords that you don't think are going to be useful to your campaign, you can manually exclude them by navigating to the eye icon on the far right of the keyword and clicking it. This makes the keyword invisible in your list. One of the most useful and time-saving features in the SEO Keyword Magic tool is the ability to navigate grouped keywords. Located on the left are a list of keywords with a corresponding number right next to it. This list includes similar keywords grouped by a specific keyword. For example, you can see the category labeled college. By clicking on this, SEMrush will bring you to all of the grouped keywords that include the term college. Keep in mind that all of these keywords are just those keywords that only include both college and basketball. Grouped keywords also allow you to exclude keywords by the groups themselves. Start by selecting the group school. As you can see, many of the keywords in the group school also include the keyword high for high school basketball. Clicking on the eye icon to the right will exclude all of these keywords from your list. This allows you to understand what ad groups you're going to set up in your new SEO campaign. SEMrush allows you to dive even deeper into specific keywords within the Keyword Magic tool by sending up to 1,000 keywords to the Keyword Analyzer. Once in the Keyword Analyzer, you will be able to see a more in-depth look at your keywords with data on top competitors, click potential, and the ability to update metrics in real time. Not only will you be able to analyze these keywords, but you can also send them to an existing position tracking campaign. In order to do this, simply check the box next to the keywords you wish to track, then select the Send to Position Tracking tab. Located in the top right of the Keyword Magic tool dashboard is a tab labeled My List. When you enter your first seed keyword in the Keyword Magic tool, it will be saved into the My List section. If you're new to the Keyword Magic tool, you will naturally be brought to the regular dashboard with the search bar. However, if you're a previous user of the tool, you will be directed to the My List page with your previous searches. The My List feature allows you to view any previous keywords that were searched, along with the name of the list, the keyword analyzer limits, the date it was created, when it was last updated, and the ability to delete that specific list. Feel free to play around with this tool, and if you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to one of our customer support specialists.